Creating a Shopify store integrated with Printify allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products effortlessly. Here's a step-by-step guide to set up your store. Sign up for Shopify. Go to shopify.com and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that suits your needs. You can start with a free trial. Set up your store. After creating your account, follow the setup wizard to add your store name, address, and other details. Customize your store's design using Shopify's themes. Install the Printify app. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for Printify. Click Add App to install it. Log into your Printify account or create one if you don't have it. Create products. In Printify, go to Product Templates and select Add Product. Choose items like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Customize your products by adding designs and choosing variations. Publish to Shopify. After designing your products, click Publish. Select your Shopify store and complete the product details such as title, description, and price. Launch your store. Once you have products listed, configure your payment and shipping settings in Shopify. Finally, promote your store on social media and launch it.